Rahul, the star salesman in a mobile shop, sells Apple and Samsung phones. Sold a total of 90 phones in the month of August. Samsung phones were sold at a profit of 9%, whereas Apple phones were sold at a profit of 36%. If he made an overall profit of 18%, how many Apple phones did he sell? Let's solve this question by the method of alligation. It's very simple. Now the profit for Samsung is 9%. The profit for Apple is 36%. And the combined profit is 18. Now by cross subtraction, we get your 18 and we get your 9. That means Samsung and Apple phones were sold in the ratio of 2 is to 1. Now total phones were 90, so we can assume it as 2x. So we can have the equation as 2x plus 1x equal to 90. That is 3x equal to 90. That means x is equal to 30. Now x is nothing but the number of phones sold by Apple. Hence the answer is 30. Matthias and Satish invested some amount of money in the ratio 5 is to 7 for the same period in a business. At the end of the year, they decided that 25% profit was to be given to charity. Out of the remaining, 66.66% was to be reinvested, and rest of the profit was to be divided as interest on their capitals. If the difference in their shares is rupees 2000, find the total profit. Now, it is given that the rest of the profit is divided as interest on their capitals. Now, their capitals are in the ratio 5 is to 7. Now, it is given their difference is 2000. So, we can say that 7x minus 5x is equal to 2000. So, we get 2x equal to 2000. That means x equal to 1000. That means we can say that after charity and after reinvestment, the profit which is remaining is 7x plus 5x, that is 12x, that is 12,000. So this is the profit after charity and after reinvestment. So let's assume that the total profit is x. Out of that, 25% is given to charity. 25% is given to charity, that means 75% is remaining. 75% in fractions is 3 by 4. Now 66.66% is reinvested. That means the remaining is still remaining for profit distribution. Now 66.66% is nothing but 2 by 3. So the remaining is 1 by 3. So we can say like this. So the equation becomes like this and we can solve it. So the total profit is 12,000 into 4, that is 48,000. 20 men take 30 days to complete a job working 8 hours a day. Find the number of men required to complete 2 times the job in 15 days working 10 hours a day. This question can be easily solved by the concept of W1 upon W2 is equal to M1 D1 H1 upon M2 D2 H2. Okay. Now it is given that the next work is 2 times. That means basically this fraction becomes 1 upon 2 is equal to number of men given are 20 into 30 into 8 upon, we don't know M2, that's what we have to find out. Days are 15 and hours are 10. Okay, so solving this number of men, we get it as 64. An urn contains 5 black and 10 white balls. 2 balls are drawn from the urn, one after another without replacement. Find the probability of drawing a black ball when a white ball has been drawn from the urn. Now at the start there are 15 balls, but now white ball has already been drawn. That means there is only 14 balls remaining. So total outcomes are 14. Now the question asked is, Find the probability of drawing a black ball. Now we have 5 black balls remaining. So favorable outcomes are 5. So our final answer is 5 upon 14. It requires 90-gram paint for painting a door 12 centimeter by 9 centimeter. How much paint is required for painting a similar door 4 centimeter by 3 centimeter? Now, amount of paint required is always proportional to the area of the surface. So now we can say that area of surface is 12 nines are 108 and 90 grams of paint is required. Now the new doors area is 4 threes are 12. We have to find out the required paint. We can see that this is divided by 9. So this also needs to be divided by 9. So our answer is 10 grams. Thank you for watching the video. Please like, share and subscribe to the channel. I hope you understood the solutions to each question. Solve the Enigma daily quiz and share it with your friends as well. Thank you.